A little surprise.
A little bit, more than half throttle, and that's it. Don't do any more because I don't know how much power this shit's making.
Please don't blow it.
What the hell?
Shut up, I didn't do anything.
Try it again. What happened? It just shut off.
Oh, this is what happened, bro. That's funny. That's crazy. This fool has 4 370s. You have 4 of these, huh? Technically?
Yeah.
4 of these? Yeah, that's crazy. And 5, actually 5.
Oh, that's cool.
I'm talking about the white one. He has 5 of these, bro. Should have been bought a GTR already, cousin. A little surprise. Big single Terpsky. Top mount. You see? When I open hoods of cars like these, it makes me want a top mount. Let's do a top mount.
Yeah.
Why not? So yeah, like I said, he just got this car. Oh, and it has more remotals too.
Does it?
Yeah. Or at least this one is.
Oh, so David wasn't lying.
So
Because he said it had him, I was like, I don't know what the fuck that is, I guess. I don't think so, though.
he didn't even know it had these, bro. These are like,
It's got 3 gauges inside.
aren't these like 5,000? Like 5,000? What the heck? Are these like
$1,000?
Are these like $1,500 headlights? Oh yeah, it has the gauges in the stock placement. Yeah, top mount 370, and I guess he might consider selling it for the right price soon. So, if anybody's interested, 370Z top mount. This car is good for 700 all day, stock motor. So, if you guys are interested, I'll leave my TUNERS Instagram right here. I'm not sure if it's for sale yet, but by the time this video's up, it might be. So, and it has a Nismo V2 bumper. It's pretty clean, dude. The only thing I would do to it is probably change the wheels. But even then, the 17 looks pretty cool in the rear. Maybe just powder coat them black or something. Damn, this clutch is hard. At 49,000 miles, but I believe the motor is swapped to a motor with 50,000 miles spin attached. So this car's pretty good, bro. I know this thing is fun too. Stock motor, making like 500-600. It'll last you a long time. I'm gonna go on a little pull in this new 370.
370Z.
Let's see how it feels. This car actually isn't tuned by you, right?
It's not. It's too bad.
So it's tuned by admin. So let's see how this thing
But
feels.
I changed the turbo, so obviously the tune's gonna be thrown off.
Yeah, but
I don't know about how much. Like I did a half throttle pull. It feels good. It don't feel bad. But then again, I don't know what the size the other turbo was, so I don't know if it's gonna make more or less power. So I don't full throttle that shit. Just half. I mean, it feels good. Like I said, it feels good.
you don't mean the one to press start, right?
Lock it. Ready?
Yeah.
Not bad, right?
No, it sounds and it feels good.
Like that shit fucking instant response. I love it. Fucking dope.
Yeah, first time out for the win on that part.
It don't be the same.
Damn, bro, look at all that smoke. It's because of the previous blown turbo, yeah. Damn, bro, this thing sounds pretty good. Little evil laugh. I said the little evil laugh. I'm gonna go on the little
We're just gonna do pulls right
pull.
here.
This time with me driving. See how this thing feels. See the big difference between top mount and rear mount.
So I'm telling this guy to do a mid mount, so that way he can feel the difference between the rear mount. This one. Hey, a little bit, more than half throttle, and that's it. Don't do any more because I don't know how much power this shit's making.
Okay. Oh, so don't even do full throttle. Okay.
No, not full throttle. Half throttle should be more than enough to feel the difference. Like you can full throttle to get it to boost, but once it's in boost, half throttle that shit.
Okay.
And don't blow it.
No.
Please don't blow it.
What clutch is this?
I don't know shit, bro. Nothing about stuff.
Different than mine.
He's got a whole fucking hard. Watch out.
Oh shit.
He's got a whole ass hardware and everything for the 4.2.
You're welcome, sir.
Nice, slow ass. Dude, get back up. You're gonna get hit.
Why make it right? Why don't you make it?
Back up to get more room.
Oh yeah, you're right. You want to see some donuts?
You drive it.
I know.
What the hell?
Shut up. I didn't do anything.
Try it again. What the fuck? What happened? It just shut off.
Bruh.
What the hell? Hold on, let me see.
There's no way.
What the fuck? It just like shut off, huh?
Yeah, I did not do
Yeah, I know,
anything.
I heard it. It just shut off.
Touch it in. You want it out? Huh?
Let me try to clear the fuel pump. Prime it.
Yeah, I hear it, no?
I don't hear that fuel pump.
I'm gonna do it again. Yeah.
Right when Jay touched it. Prime it. Fucking fuel pump, man. You kidding me?
Did it really, bro? What the hell?
Die. Oh, that's fucked up.
No, we gotta. What is it? Yeah, I think we have to push it. We're gonna have to push it on.
Fuel pump died, huh? Hold on. We're trying to turn it on. Right when Jay touched it. Are you serious?
Sorry.
Jay would touch it.
I did it on purpose.
Son of a bitch. This would happen right now.
So we gotta get to pushing.
Hey, that's new drivers always happen.
Alright, Jay. We have to just push it back.
Time to push.
Just push it straight back. Just straight back.
Who's gonna drive it, Anthony? Oh, this is what happened, bro. That's funny. Oh shit, there's a cop.
Turn into the shock. Don't hit the brakes. Don't hit the brakes, you fuck!
I really touched it so it don't straight.
Good. Stop. First thing I said, don't hit the brakes. Hit the brakes.
Do not ruin your bumper, you ass.
Huh?
Do not ruin the bumper. It's like real life GTA for real. Alright, round two. It was a G, bro. He was like, I think it's this, and boom, fixed. Yeah, literally like 3
It was
minutes.
only melted as fuck. Yeah. That doesn't hurt your teeth.
Bro, that's so whack, bro. I didn't record. Nice.
That's good, huh?
Yeah.
That shit fucking spools fast, dude. I love it. It reminds me of my Nismo. My Nismo hit fast and hard, too. Oh, poor car.
What? Oh, there's smoke?
I know, that's right.
It's all smoky, like I said earlier in the video. It's just because the previous servo that was on this car blew up. So, pretty much taking out all the old oil. That's pretty much everything.